Render token, or Render, is making waves in the cryptocurrency world. It powers the Render network, which connects artists with computer power. Artists need this power to create their work. Think of it as a decentralized cloud for 3D art. The Render token facilitates transactions on this network. Its value is tied to the network's growth. As the network grows, so too might the token's value. This makes it an interesting prospect for investors. The world of digital art is expanding rapidly. This expansion makes platforms like Render Network more important. More artists need computing power. This demand could lead to increased use of Render token. However, like all cryptocurrencies, Render token has risks. It can be volatile. The market is unpredictable. It's important to understand these risks before investing. This essay will explore Render token's potential. We'll examine short, mid, and long-term price predictions. We will analyze market indicators. We'll also look at technical analysis and correlations with other cryptocurrencies. The short-term outlook for Render token is cautiously optimistic. Some predictions show a possible dip in price in the very short term. This dip could be followed by a quick recovery. This volatility is normal in the crypto market. Factors influencing short-term price include market sentiment and news. Positive news about the Render network could boost the token's price. Negative news could do the opposite. Traders often use technical analysis to make short-term predictions. This involves looking at charts and patterns. Support and resistance levels are key indicators. These levels show where the price might bounce back or face resistance. It's important to remember that short-term predictions are often inaccurate. The crypto market is highly unpredictable. Day-to-day fluctuations should not be the main focus for long-term investors. Looking ahead to the rest of 2025, Render token shows potential for growth. Analysts predict a range of prices, with some suggesting significant returns. This growth is linked to the expected expansion of the Render network. One factor to consider is the adoption of the Render network by more artists and studios. As demand for the network services increases, so too could the demand for Render token. This could drive the price upwards. Another factor is the overall growth of the metaverse and the digital art market. Render token is well positioned to benefit from this trend. As more people invest in digital assets, platforms like Render Network become more valuable. However, competition is a factor to consider. New platforms offering similar services could emerge. Render Network needs to continue innovating and attracting users to maintain its position. Section 4. Long-term vision. Render token's trajectory to 2030. The long-term outlook for Render token is more uncertain but potentially very positive. Some analysts believe it could reach significant price levels by 2030. This prediction assumes continued growth in the digital art and metaverse sectors. If the Render network becomes the go-to platform for rendering three-dimensional art, the demand for Render token could skyrocket. This would likely lead to a substantial increase in its value. However, long-term predictions in the crypto market are highly speculative. Many unforeseen factors could affect Render token's price. Regulation, technological advancements, and wider economic trends all play a role. It's crucial to stay informed about developments in the crypto space. Keep an eye on Render Network's progress, news about the metaverse, and regulatory changes. These factors can impact the long-term value of Render token. Section 5. Market Analysis and Investment Disclaimer. As of January 26, 2025, Render token shows a mix of bullish and bearish signals. Analyzing market indicators such as trading volume, market capitalization, and correlations with other cryptocurrencies can provide insights. However, these are just indicators, not guarantees. Remember, this essay is not financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries a high level of risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own thorough research. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. The future of Render token is promising, but it's not without risks. Understanding these risks and conducting thorough research is essential for any potential investor.